It's a certified 2017 Mercedes-Benz GLA. This GLA is the perfect mix of flexibility, fuel efficiency, and fun, with engineering that delivers capability, luxury, and class-leading innovation. It comes nicely equipped with features you love: intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, 4-wheel drive, streaming audio, refrigerated box located in the glove box, dual-zone climate control, external memory control, memory exterior door mirror settings, driver and passenger memory seats, and automatic transmission. Of the GLA, Cars.com writes, "Quiet and smooth with long legs, this compact Benz loves the highway." Mercedes-Benz, an elevation of innovation. Hurry in today for a test drive.
Call us at 425-673-0505, online at mblynnwood.com, or stop in and visit at 17800 Highway 99,